You very well noted that we have changed the wording of the fourth paragraph of our monetary policy statement. So let me try to explain what it means, because it's not just an innocuous little change. It's a change that has a certain meaning. What we had previously was that we would keep our restrictive monetary policy as long as was necessary, etc. And that was very much a static assessment of what was needed. We are now moving, by having our monetary policy is becoming meaningfully less restrictive, to a more evolutionary approach. So in other words, we take account of the journey that we have traveled, 150 basis points since we started cutting. And we acknowledge the fact that, as a result, it is becoming meaningfully less restrictive. We add to that in the same paragraph the two forces that we are seeing operating on our financing conditions. And the first one, if you will, is the... I used a comparison a few weeks ago when we were at the G20 in South Africa, and I used a comparison of the Cape of Good Hope, where you have warm water from the Indian Ocean and the cold water from the Atlantic. And this is really where the position is at the moment, where we have the impact of the current monetary policy decisions that we take and have been taking, which is to cut rates. But at the same time, we still have the cold water of the Atlantic, meaning the remaining effects of decisions that we have taken over the course of time. And that's really where we are at the moment, and that has led us to acknowledge the fact that our measures, that our monetary policy is becoming meaningfully less restrictive.